How to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one Android phone. If any day you have only one Android phone and you would like to activate two WhatsApp accounts on your Android phone but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search WhatsApp out there, or manually find the WhatsApp application on your mobile device by scrolling left or right. After you find the very WhatsApp application, now you have to tap on WhatsApp, and after you tap on WhatsApp, WhatsApp will be launched on your very mobile device. After WhatsApp is launched on your mobile device, you can go to the three dots and then go to the option of the settings there. After you go to the option of the settings there, now you can see the option of logging out of your WhatsApp if you do not directly find it. Now what you can do is you can just delete the WhatsApp, or you can just log out of the WhatsApp by going to the option of the account there and then go to the option of add account. And after you tap on the option of the add account, now you can see an interface like this, that is the add account here. Now after you tap on the option of the add account, now you can go to the option of the agree and continue here, and then you can sign into a very new account by tapping on a new phone number there, going to the option of the next, and setting up a new account on the WhatsApp, due to which you can use the multiple WhatsApp account in one Android device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.